Hey guys, it's your favorite girl in the Sunshine State. Let's talk about the Ladybird deed. Do you know what the Ladybird deed is? It only exists in 3 or 4 states, and guess what? Florida is one of them. It's also known as an enhanced life estate deed. So it's a document that allows a property owner to pass that property on to beneficiaries without going through probate. So the deed gives the owner control over the home until their death, and then it will automatically be transferred to whomever the named beneficiaries are. So 3 benefits to the Ladybird deed here in Florida: avoid probate, the owner gets to maintain control of the home until their death, and it might possibly help the owner of the home to qualify for Medicaid as well. Another tip, in the state of Florida, the Ladybird deed requires 2 witnesses, so you as the notary can absolutely be one of them. All right, see you next time.